In this video, we're going to work on an array and we're going to use it to try to help us figure out a division problem. So if we have a problem like this that says make an array to model 20 divided by 5, and what does that equal? So let's first talk about the array. An array is just rows and columns that can be found on a grid. So for this one, you can just keep adding 5 in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep adding rows of 5 until you reach the number 20. So if we add another one, now we have 10. 5, 10. So you just keep adding. Now we have 15. And if you keep adding some more, now we have 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is our array to model division. So the 20 squares were divided into 4 rows of 5, right? So then we know that the answer to this division is 4 because we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write that in. So the answer here is 4. Okay, so 20 was divided into 4 rows of 5, right? So here's the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.